Okay, so for the Seconds app, go to your app store, and they should have this on iOS or Android, and you're going to look for the one that says interval timer dash seconds. That's the free one. And then once you've downloaded that, go ahead and click into it. It will automatically give you a couple of things. It'll give you, don't pay attention to core workout. That won't normally be there. We're going to actually create that. Okay, so it'll give you sample timers, and it will show you some samples that you can click through and look at how they're set up. It'll give you a seconds demo, so you can do that as well. These other two down here are ones that I've created separately, but let's create one. So go up to the upper right corner and click on the plus sign. And then once you do that, click circuit/Tabata timer. You could name this, so let's just say we're gonna name it core workout. Number of sets, I usually leave at 1, and then I add individual exercises. So what you wanna do is go to exercise 1 and click on where the little time signature is, and then put in 20. So that'll be 20 seconds. And then go back, and then toggle on Tabata style. And then go down and put your rest between intervals to be 10. So this is if you're wanting to create 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. And you could adjust that as you like, obviously. And then what I do is I just go ahead, I go ahead and add exercise. And once you do that, it will duplicate the one you've already created. Of course, you could edit each of these. So I'll do 10, and that will make a 5-minute Tabata workout. And then once you've done that, you can see if you click start up here in the upper right corner and you click it, it'll say exercise 1, and then it'll count that down, and then it will count you down to your rest portion, and then it will give you exercise 2, and it will keep going like that all the way through. So that is how you do it. Now, if you wanted to name these individual exercises, you could go in here and edit this to say like push-ups, and then make the next one sit-ups so that it calls out what you're about to do. I don't usually do that because I'm usually following my workout that I'm doing. I'm either following it on like a whiteboard or a piece of paper or something. So you can decide how you want to do that. And then once you've saved that timer, just go back, and anytime you want to pull up that particular timer, you just do core workout, and there it is. So you're good to go. Hope that helps. Bye for now.